my name is Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. In this video, I'm going to show you what is in our Week 2 Stay and Play bag. For those of you who don't know, Stay and Play is a program we are hosting every Friday until February 18th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the Seaside Library. Out of an abundance of caution for our Stay and Play program for this 6 weeks, we are only doing grab-and-go activity bags and story walks on the lawn outside next to the Seaside Library. But our activity bags are really great. So this is what is in our Week 2 bag, which will be distributed at the Stay and Play program on Friday, January 21st from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So each of our bags has a little intro sheet that explains that we are focusing on 5 areas of building early literacy skills. These are singing, talking, reading, writing, and playing. And in this bag, we have an activity that will be fun to use when you are singing a song together. We also, in each bag, have a little sheet that goes into these 5 different topics in more depth, and this is in English and Spanish. All of our materials are in English and Spanish. So in each bag, you are going to find an instruction sheet with the materials that you will need and the instructions on how to build the activity, and we are going to be making egg shakers. So each bag also has some beans and 2 plastic eggs inside and some stickers. And what you are going to do with your little one is you are going to scoop up beans into your plastic egg, like so. Put the cap on your plastic egg, and then you can use these stickers to secure the egg, and you have a nice little shaker. So you can use this to help set the rhythm while you are singing a song or doing a rhyme. And for some further exploration, you can ask your little one questions like, what other items could be placed inside of the egg to make noise? What other items could you use besides a plastic egg to make a shaker? You can even look around your house for other items that would make good musical instruments and build a homemade band. Our activity bags each also have a survey that we would really appreciate if you fill out and give back to us at the branch, and each bag comes with a free book. So we hope to see you at the program on Friday, January 21st. This will be running for the next few weeks until February 18th. See you then, everyone. Goodbye.